Let's go e4 for this guy as well. Knight f3 and Portsmouth Gambit. Playing c3, it's very interesting. Everyone takes by knight. I didn't know it's absolutely the best. Knight c3 and they go bishop b4 where I play. I gotta change this because if they continue to play this line with bishop b4, bishop d2, knight f6, I gotta find something way better than this because I'm not satisfied. Okay, bishop to d3. I wanna play e5 at some point unless they go with e5. Okay, let's go with e5 because I can't stand position simply without e5 there. It's gonna be so bad. Let's go. You know how should we play. All systems should get open here. I gotta defend that pawn. I'm down a pawn. I have open files. It's absolutely fine for playing. Knight b4, bishop b1. I want to play rook d1 in case of castle. If he plays g6, I'll play bishop h6. Rook d1, rook b1. Those are ideas. Knight b5, bishop knight b4, bishop b5. No. Okay, rook d1 I'll play here. I've got nothing better than that. Then bishop d2 with tempo. And then when he plays queen c7 hoping to get some rest, I won't give him a rest. Rook ac1. Maybe he's gonna play bishop b4. That could be interesting. Okay, I'll play this move. I won't hesitate at all. He can't play b6 because of queen e4 and I'm mating and doing stuff. I want to go rook c3. I want to go rook c3. I want to use this rook in a rook lifting in the attack. So let's go. He'll take the pawn. He should. He should. Knight g5, bishop. Okay. Knight g5, bishop g5. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. He's actually eyeing my rook here, so it's dangerous. If he plays, I'll play bishop g5. I just need the full action of my pieces, and that's gonna be an easy game. Bishop h7 should not bring us. Knight f7, king f7, queen h5, king g8, bishop h6. Let's go for that. I mean, I really want to enjoy this game. I mean, I know that I can play bishop h7, king here, check, and so many stuff. Let's go with knight f7. That one seems to be interesting. Check. And here bishop h6. Is that what I missed? That's what I missed. Oof, what a nice defensive idea by this guy. Oh my goodness, I gotta take. Now I'm down a piece and I'm lost. Okay, nice defensive idea, and that's what I'm always telling my students. Watch out when you attack. Lots of people think it's so easy to attack, but you just have to keep making all the best moves all the time. One bad move, one miscalculation, and go home, buddy. Anyways, let's go and be fast. So you know what the rule is: fast and stupid. Fast and stupid. Fast and stupid. Big Maya finds some resources to defend and to trick these guys. Threatening 92. What an ugly trick. What an ugly trick here. An ugly trick. Do I have to blunder just everything in the game? I'm winning so many lost positions, but okay. It's also important to be able to, let me see, we'll always do a review so you can just improve analyzing these games on my channel. Let me just see, because I am not happy with this one. Let's go start the review. So e4, c5, b4, c3, d4, everything's cool. Do I play the best move, knight c3? Yes. d6 is mistake. Bishop d3, what was I supposed to do here? No, he says d5. Okay, d5 is the best move. Okay, we know it. And then d6. Oops. Queen d5. Okay, here I'm fine. Queen e2. But wait a sec, I wanted to check what was my move here. Knight f6. What does engine say here? I wasn't supposed to play. No, actually e5 is suspicious. Probably queen e2, huh? Here, okay. But I don't want to do the review like this. Let me just take the analysis. Yeah, I want to analyze it by myself. So wait a sec. Short knight f6, d5. Okay, and what am I supposed to do if they play the way this previous guy played? Bishop b4, knight f6. Do I have to play e5? No, bishop d3, and then he goes e6. Castle, and then that's what I played in one of my games there.
Have you got big
so this is the thing.
Get a hosting plan.
Okay. Rook b1. Okay, rook b1. But the e5 is extremely annoying when it happens in these positions. Okay, and rook e1, and I got a compensation thanks to the bishop pair. This guy played a little bit different. Played d6, I played bishop d3. Engine says d5 to kill them on the spot. Yeah, exactly. d6, bishop d3, e5, queen e2, rook d1, bishop d2, rook a b1 followed by rook b3, rook c3, and now I went all in. And here, okay, I told you that I was having fun. What? Bishop h7, and if this? Oh, bishop c2, what a nice maneuver, retreating my bishop with tempo, threatening the queen, and the bishop, the pawn on f7 and queen on a4, pity. Okay, let's go with the next game. Thanks for analyzing.